This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Beth Otery. Beautiful end-unit condo in Water's Edge. Bright, open great room includes formal dining/living area. Sliding door opens to quiet patio backing to treat space. Large kitchen boasts generous eat-in area and access to one-car garage with opener. Primary bedroom with walk-in shower ensuite and large walk-in closet with built-ins. Secondary bedroom is directly across from hall bath. Enjoy resort-style amenities that Water's Edge and the Riverfront have to offer: pool, clubhouse, bike/walk trails, golf, lakefront amphitheater, picnic areas and access to waterfront parks with community pier and gazebo. Pool and additional parking nearby. For more